Let's not wait again. We'll start the. So yesterday we discussed about after the content writing, we talked about affiliate marketing. Of course, content writing is we went through basics, right? It's still there. I mean, we can keep learning, but I want you to start writing, right? Then only we'll be able to proceed further. So now affiliate marketing. So yesterday what we discussed. When you're setting up affiliate marketing, what we should be doing it, how we can actually
Actually, it is a process, and we have to build a system for that.
Okay, good, Bindu.
There are
Yeah,
some
we should not
tools.
use the shortcuts and all, and we have to follow certain process.
Good. Yes, Gayatri.
There are some tools where we can able to write easily the content, how to write, and where we copied that also we can able to check and we can rectify it, and it will shows that some quality of the content.
Good. So that's about the content. But today, yesterday we discussed about what affiliate marketing, right? So content writing, we use it for to promote affiliate products, right? So affiliate marketing, like Bindu said, let us look at it as a process, right? So if you're setting up a business, how you actually work, it should be like that, not like affiliate marketing. Yes, we'll do it weekly once, or monthly twice. We'll do. Instead of that, if we can start doing in a practice, like every day we keep helping people, keep giving some information, right? So what happens is that consistency comes, so automatically we'll start getting traffic to our blog or pages. Then that becomes a for us, it becomes a profitable, right? That's what we have to look at. So you think like you becoming a businessman, right? It's not you have to have a different business model, but affiliate marketing also we can actually look at it as a in these aspects, right? So you think you are becoming a businessman, right? Then let us pick the topics what all we have and all. Now in this one, yesterday we covered two things, right? I mean, one point, like how you can become an affiliate. What is that methods? I told you two options are there, right? What are the options?
Partnering with the companies.
Partnering with a company.
Mm.
Good. One more.
And
Amazon.
Register in Amazon.
What is that called?
Affiliate. To become an affiliate.
affiliate network.
Ha, Bindu is right. So we said there are two options. One is either you partner with a company to become an affiliate, or second option is register with the affiliate network where you get hundreds of options, right? You can select any product in that affiliate network and start promoting it, right? So like this, there are options are there. So that is one thing. One is partnering with a company. Second is what? Register with the affiliate networks. So affiliate network is, we talked about, ClickBank, right? ClickBank is very popular website, for affiliate networks. You can go and register your product if you have a product, or else we just register and take the products already they have, right? And start promoting those products. Now, ClickBank will manage all that process. how many sales you are doing, how many clicks are coming, if these many sales happens, how much he has to pay. All that is managed by ClickBank as a platform, right? When you partner with a company, so most of the companies, right, they don't want to spend time to build a affiliate, one process. See, why affiliate networks is preferable is when you have a company, maybe you starting a company, right? So you design a software. Now, after developing the software, you're telling that go and sell the software, right? Normal typical method is
Are you
what?
sharing the screen, sir?
Oh, sorry, guys. Guys can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So what I was telling is types, which is partnering with the company or affiliate network. So when you partnering with the company, how they will track, right? So for tracking, right, they should be having some kind of mechanism, right? Maybe now, Gayatri comes with some kind of boutique, okay? And I went and partner with her, saying that, Madam, I'll sell your products, pay me the incentives. So she'll say, fine. So I started, promoting that. Same way, Arun also promoting the products. Now, Gayatri, how she will know how many sales happened through Prakash and how many sales happened through Arun? She cannot track, right? Until unless she have a system. Now what she should do, she has to go back and she has to start a developing a software where she can actually track how many actually visits are coming. There are two things. One is visits, another is sales. Getting visits will not get her any revenue, right? But getting sales, then she can say, okay, fine, through Prakash I got 10 sales, so let me pay according to that. Through Arun, she got 50 sales. So she will pay according to that. That's what this software does. Right. So most of the companies, right, even if you are developing a software company, you developed a software in a company, you, again, developing this affiliate process or method, right, it will take time for you. So what you will do, you will simply, instead of developing your own software, again, spending time on it, what you'll do is you'll straight away take your software and put in this affiliate network, right? You'll put in this affiliate network. So what happens? One second. Okay. One more user is trying to join. Let's wait. Yeah, sorry. Aruna, can you hear me? Uh, Aruna, please confirm if you can hear me. Guys, you guys can hear me, right? Bindu?
Yes.
Okay. Aruna, if you can hear me, can you text me on and confirm? Because I'm not able to hear you. Hold. Okay, fine. I don't see any. I don't know if you can confirm me if you are able to hear me or not. Okay, she can hear. Fine. Yes. So when you partner with a company, what they're supposed to do is they have to develop a software and then they'll give this option where they can track who is doing what sales like that, right? But instead of that, spending time, most of the companies what they prefer is just go with the affiliate network company and promote the products with them. Now, what happens here is in this affiliate network, there are affiliates already there. That means there is persons, I mean, there's a team, right? There are so many people are there who are available to sell your software by default. So you need not to go there and ask, everyone, can you sell my product? Nothing like that. You just go and launch your product and say, this is what the incentive I am paying. Then people will start selling that software for you, right? That's what the ClickBank and all has. So ClickBank have like there are thousands of affiliate people are there who is affiliated with the ClickBank. The moment you post your product saying that okay, this is my software, okay, this has okay, this cost is around maybe $10,000, and if you start selling this product, I'll pay you 30% incentive, right? So maybe you'll start getting $3,000, right? And what features you have? You will explain there. Maybe one video explaining the product features and all, right? Like this, you will give some material also to them so that depending on this, they'll start preparing to sell your product, right? Now, how it will help? I mean, now there are companies who are paying 40%, 50%, we discussed, right? How are they paying that? Any idea? Now we talked about 40% commission some companies pay, right? How are they able to pay that much amount?
They are
Anyone?
buying from manufacturers. And then
Superb, superb, Gayatri. Right. So what happens is it's not buying from manufacturer. What happens? Yeah, that is all, of course, one option. One plus point. You're able to get direct price from the manufacturer. Second thing is they're not spending money to open branches or all that they're not doing it. Now, if you take any MNC company, right, they have branches across the globe. They have offices. That means they have manpower there. People are working for that company. But in this case, what happens is you will be developing sitting in Hyderabad, this software, right? Now, instead of recruiting salespeople, right, this is one more third point, right? So first thing is, like Gayatri said, you are able to sell directly to customer, direct to customer. So you are able to save a lot of money, right? Starting from your having warehouse, all this is not needed. The moment you pick the order, then you start shipping the item directly to the customer. Then second is you need not to open offices, recruit people and all, because the moment you put the product, there are thousands of people are there in affiliate market or affiliate network. wherever you promoting your product, right? There are hundreds of people. So they will start referring your, products. They already having a network. They already having followers, right? They already having followers, right? So they will start promoting your product. So I'll show you one example here. So this is one company called appsumo.com. Fine. These guys provide some softwares with the best deals. How best deals is, now if you're buying any software for say, monthly some rental, right? These guys, what they do is they will give you lifetime deal. That means you pay one time and use it for your lifetime, right? So this is what when happens. When this happens is when you're launching a product, when you design a product. Now you want that to be marketed in a higher level. So even though you are having a plan to sell monthly, what you can do is you can come here and create one package and sell it for, sell that product for lifetime. So here, if you see any product, right? Let me pick something. Okay, see this one. When you're talking about email marketing, right? Now there are products which we saw, right? Like getresponse.com. Now, if you take this product, see the basic plan start with the $15 per month, right? Where with the SendFox, you can go and buy a plan. See, for 5,000 subscribers, here 5,000 subscribers will be costing what? Let's take a basic plan only. $45 per month, right? Same, these guys also charging. That means he's charging $50, but this is what? It's a one-time price. Okay, it's a one-time price. So if you pay $50 and buy this plan, you can have 5,000 subscribers for you, and you need not to pay every month. If you can, yeah, lifetime access, right? This is the lifetime access you're getting it. And if you keep adding the additional licenses, right? So if I buy 2 licenses, I can have 10,000 subscribers. Same if I buy 3 licenses, I can have 15,000 subscribers. So like this, I need not to pay monthly. Now what happens is, this is SendFox is coming to the AppSumo and selling this, right? AppSumo is the one place where customers can get a lifetime deals, right? Maybe you're looking for to buy a product and pay monthly. So that time what you can do is you can come here and check whether that similar product is available in this market. How it will benefit is you need not to pay monthly. You are getting a lifetime deal. Now, from our perspective, how this platform will help is, now once I become affiliated with this company called AppSumo, now I'm getting an opportunity to sell these products, behalf of them. Now what happens? These many products are available already here. Right, so I can pick up any product. Now see, Crello is there. Right, now Canva, if you want to buy, every month we have to pay a license fee, right? But Crello also is there. Crello.com is, okay, compared to, this is a equivalent to Canva. Fine. So this is where you can create designs and all. If you go to pricing, this also you have a monthly fee, $8, right? But right now, these guys having a deal where I can pay $49. So $7 is what? $8 is what? Um, Maybe 5 months, right? Not 5 months. I think 6 or 7 months, I'll end up paying the same amount, right? So if I pay for $49, that means I'm paying for say 7 months or 7 months, right? But if I pay $49 here, I need not to pay after that. I need not to pay. right? So within 7 to 8 months, you are recovering your money, right? After that, you are able to use this Crello platform free of cost, right? So this is a good deal. So what will happen now if I find this helpful, I'll start telling people, say this is a Crello, but because I am affiliated with this company called AppSumo, now whenever there is a person buys this Crello, I'll get the incentive, right? So that's how this works, right? So when you're selling this, what is happening is the seller directly coming here and promoting it. He's not, going to 10 different people and asking them to sell. This Crello company is coming to AppSumo and telling, guys, please post my product in this your platform. Let the customers buy it. Okay. So for them, they are getting a crowdfunding, right? I mean, that means for them, it's a startup. Maybe. Most of the companies, when they start the company, right, they come here and promote the product. So they can get that initial funding, initial support they can get. So if I paid like $50, right? Even though if it is for 7 months or 6 months, I'm paying in advance, right? So that will help that company to grow, right? But of course, in that also there is a margin. Some AppSumo might take and some they'll pay to the affiliates, right? That is the second thing. Then what is the next thing is, now if a sales guy working for you, right? When you will pay salary to him, you'll be paying on a monthly basis. Whether the sale happens or not, that is not, you have to pay them, right? But here, how it happens is you'll be able to pay after the sale happened. Now, see, I become affiliate for you, right? Gayatri's products, I'm selling it. Will Gayatri pay me salary? Maybe she might be paying. If not, right? If she says, Prakash, you have to sell these products, then account the how many products got sold, that account that she'll pay me, right? That's what affiliate. Now, if I sell 10 products, she'll pay me 10 into maybe 10% she'll pay. If that product is costing $1,000, 10% is 100 rupees. So if I'm able to sell 10 products today, she'll pay me 1,000 rupees. If I'm able to sell 20 products, she'll pay me 2,000 rupees, right? So here, what is the plus point for her is she is able to pay me, or she is ready to pay after she collected the money, not before that. In a traditional method, what happens? You have to pay them in advance. Like if the sales guy joins in a company, you have to pay them every month, whether the sale happened or not, whether he's able to reach the target or not. Maybe if he's not able to reach the target, maybe for 2-3 months, then you will tell them, guys, you can pack up, right? That's what the companies does, right? If the salesperson is not achieving the targets, then they'll say you can look for the job, right? But here what happens is once the affiliate made the sale, then only you are going and paying them, right? That is the plus point in this affiliate process. Any questions, guys?
Sir, what if the product returns?
That's what you have to create your terms, Bindu. For example, now Gayatri is selling the some boutique, right? Some dresses or something she's selling. Now she'll be able to track how many sales went through Prakash, how many sales went through Arun, right? But she'll not be paying on the day one itself. There is a return period will be there where she's giving to the customer. Okay, if you guys don't like the product or having any issues, you can return within 3 days or 7 days, something like that. She'll put one condition, right? So in that condition only she will actually make. Now, if you take for Amazon, right? Amazon also has the same thing. Now I can do 1,000 products. I sold it today, but they're not paying on the day one. In the 1,000 products, few products will have a 1 week cancellation policy. Few products might have a 30 days return policy. After that only that particular incentive will come. For example, now I sold this week 1,000 products. Okay, in that 1,000, maybe 200 products have a 1 week return policy, and remaining say 800 products have 30 days return policy. Okay, Now, after 1 week, I'll get the incentive for 200 products, it will get credited. For this remaining 800 products, it will be showing, saying that, okay, this is what your estimated incentive is. But after the 30 days period is closed, in this 800, maybe, sorry guys, in this 800, maybe 5 products got returned. Okay, cancellation happened or some issues like that, maybe 5 or 10 products. For remaining, maybe that 790 products, I'll get after 31st day, I'll get the incentive. Okay, of course, you will put that policy. Or else what happens? There are many people, right? They do what? They'll take the product, go and sell it to the people, telling them, you can cancel it after 1 week, and they take the incentive, right? So, of course, you have to protect there. So that policies are there. Now, the product which I shown you, right? These guys have 60 days return policy. That means if I buy this today, within 60 days I can return it. That kind of flexibility these guys are giving. Bindu, does that answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys, any questions? Okay, guys, take a 5 minutes break.